Hey, what's up everybody? John Campo here, the Not So Neat Chef. Decided to do a short video on breakfast. Just finished a hard day at work and I came home, don't know what I want for dinner, so I decided I'm going to make me some pancakes. Yeah, and I'm not going to make box pancakes. I'm going to make pancakes from scratch. I've got everything I need. It's really simple and they're just as good, if not better, than the box. But it's worth it. Trust me. Okay, so what you're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of white sugar. You're going to need an egg. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda. This is 3/4 of a cup milk. Alright, it's going to simulate buttermilk by adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Alright, so let this sit for a couple minutes, let it curdle. You're also going to need 1 cup all-purpose flour. We're going to add vanilla extract that you might want. I like vanilla, so I'm going to eyeball it. It's probably going to wind up being about 1 tablespoon. Okay, we're going to add sugar. We're going to add baking soda. We're going to add baking powder. And I forgot to mention that we're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to eyeball this. So, about 1/2 teaspoon. We're going to mix all this up. Add our butter. Add our egg and our buttermilk. It's about the right consistency. Now I'm going to add some vanilla. Okay, so I got a pan heating up here, and slightly coated with a spray, and I have a ladle. We're gonna ladle the pancakes. Just let the pan heat up a little bit. So you'll notice air bubbles. That's good. You'll start to see the edges getting dried out. That means it's cooking. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. And you'll see when you flip it, it'll start to rise a little bit. Just let it cook. If you have to turn the heat down, turn the heat down. I like to have my butter ready. And that's cooked. And there you have it. Homemade pancakes from scratch. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on a breakfast for dinner. If you do, give me a like, subscribe, make some suggestions, see what we can do about getting things done. All right, for now, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef, saying goodbye.